plastic case, 12 volt, two 2Ah batteries, quite a robust little drill, plastic chuck. Wouldn't be just as good as some of the metal chucks, but whatever, get what you pay for. The set I think was around 90 to 100 pound. I think it was about 90 pound on Screwfix with a 2-year guarantee. Great for DIY projects about the house. As regarding professional use, probably wouldn't recommend it, probably wouldn't hold up to the pace, but for everyday use about the house, great. Forward, reverse. There is 2 speeds as well, screw speed, drill speed. It's not an impact, unfortunately. I think if it had an impact function it would be pretty good, but here. And there is 17 torque settings on the drill. Yeah, quite light, nimble. Battery indicator. I'll show you the charger. Charges roughly in about an hour. Light's green, so this one's fully charged, obviously. This can be mounted to whatever you want. I have it mounted to just this little shelf here. Just slide this back in. What I like about these wee batteries is they're nice and shallow and light. Little impact driver also come with this set. Same battery, same setup, battery indicator, rubber handle. Very well made, I must say, to be honest, for what these are. This is a little impact for the end of it, obviously. See, to be honest with you, for putting screws into wood, you just wouldn't do without one of these. Putting shelves up, putting decking down in the garden, just general maintenance basically. I'll show you a little tool that I have, if I can just put my hands on it, that I bought separately for this. It's a little impact set that you can put in here. So you have 1/4, 1/2 inch and 3/8 adapters. So basically what this does is take your impact, put this in there, turns your impact driver into a 1/2 inch drive for an impact socket. Obviously 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 as well. I think this little set here was about a tenner on Amazon. Pretty good. Just add to the versatility of the drill, or sorry, of the impact driver. A bit more use out of it. Yeah. Overall, brilliant wee set. 2-year guarantee. Just the instructions, different paraphernalia with it there. A lot of bonus that comes in this case. A lot of drills now you buy don't come in a case, or they come in a bag, which isn't really very good. Low molded hard case, rubber handle. Obviously, you have room in there for the charger. I would obviously mount it here, but you can put it wherever you want. Doing a video next, guys, and maybe a demonstration on these little tools. So yeah. There you go. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one.